What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix do not disturb keeps turning on issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on notifications. Now in notifications click on do not disturb and from here click on the sleeping option in the schedule section, or you have any schedule, then click on that schedule and then click on delete this schedule. Now click on delete to confirm, and after that the do not disturb turning on issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then check for your mobile updates. So to check for updates, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update, then click on download and install, and from here if you have any pending update of your mobile software, then update your mobile software to the latest version. And after updating the mobile software to the latest version, the do not disturb issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue with do not disturb, then the last solution is reset all settings of your phone. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and here click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that the do not disturb turning on issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.